Are you trying to make extra money but feel like there's never enough time in the day? And zero clue where to even start? You're not alone. The truth is, most people don't fail online because they're lazy. They fail because the internet throws 50 different strategies at them all at once. Courses, tools, ads, funnels. It's too much. Now imagine this. What if 98% of the business was already set up, and all you had to do was plug in your name and follow some basic steps? No tech hurdles, no ads to run, no guesswork. You don't need prior experience, coding skills, or even a big following. You'll have coaching, templates, and a proven structure all laid out for you. This isn't a complicated software or another info course you'll forget in 2 days. It's a simple affiliate system that's already producing results. For people with no clue how to start, you just follow the steps and launch. It really is that simple. People who've never made a dime online are seeing their first commissions thanks to this system. Some didn't even know what affiliate marketing meant before joining. You don't need to study for months. You don't need expensive software. You don't even need more than an hour a day to get started. This is truly built for people who have full schedules, but still want a real chance to earn online. There's a link below where you can get free access to the same system that's helping total beginners build real digital income without the headache. If you're tired of starting from scratch and ready to follow a path that's already working, this is your shortcut. Don't wait. The system is ready. All you need to do is show up.